When it comes to elevating the beauty, comfort, and overall curb appeal of your Clermont home, window choice plays a bigger role than many homeowners realize. The right window style doesn't just frame a view. It complements your home's architecture, improves energy efficiency, and enhances the overall ambiance of each space. Whether you live in a modern build, a traditional home, or something in between, Clermont homeowners have a wide array of window styles to choose from that can highlight their home's unique design. Double-hung windows for classic charm. Double-hung windows are one of the most versatile and timeless options for Clermont homes. Featuring two operable sashes, these windows allow you to open either the top or bottom for improved airflow. Their balanced proportions and traditional design make them an ideal fit for colonial, Cape Cod, or craftsman-style homes commonly found in the area. Beyond aesthetics, double-hung windows are practical. They're easy to clean and can be equipped with energy-efficient glass to reduce cooling costs during Clermont's hot summers. Casement windows for modern and transitional homes. If you're looking for sleek lines and maximum ventilation, casement windows are an excellent choice. These windows are hinged on one side and swing outward, opening fully to allow fresh air into your home. Their contemporary look pairs beautifully with modern or transitional architecture, where clean lines and functionality are key design elements. Casement windows also provide a tight seal when closed, making them more energy efficient compared to many other styles, perfect for homeowners looking to cut down on utility bills. Bay and bow windows for added dimension. For homeowners who want to create a focal point in their living or dining rooms, bay and bow windows add both character and dimension to your Clermont home. Bay windows extend outward in a combination of 3 windows, typically featuring a large fixed center window flanked by operable ones. Bow windows create a gentler curve with 4 or more panels, offering a more rounded, elegant appearance. Both options allow for additional seating, storage, or a cozy reading nook while maximizing natural light and enhancing your home's architectural profile. Picture windows for stunning outdoor views. Clermont is known for its scenic beauty, and picture windows are a perfect way to capture it. These large, fixed windows frame outdoor views like works of art, making them especially popular in living rooms and great rooms. While picture windows don't open, they can be paired with smaller operable windows to maintain airflow. Their clean design complements both modern and traditional homes, adding sophistication while flooding interiors with natural light. Awning windows for compact and unique spaces. For homeowners who want something functional and stylish in smaller rooms like bathrooms or basements, awning windows are a great option. Hinged at the top and opening outward, they provide ventilation even during rain showers. Their compact size makes them versatile enough to fit above doors or larger windows, enhancing architectural details without overwhelming the design. Choosing the right window for your Clermont home. The best window style for your home depends on both your architectural design and your lifestyle needs. Do you value natural light above all else? Picture and bay windows may be best. Looking for energy savings and ventilation? Casement or double-hung windows might suit your needs. Want something distinctive yet functional? Awning windows could be your perfect fit. Partnering with a professional window installation company ensures that your chosen style not only looks great but also performs well in Clermont's humid subtropical climate. From energy-efficient glass to durable framing materials, the right installation makes all the difference in protecting your investment. Final thoughts. Windows are more than functional features. They are architectural elements that define your home's character. By selecting the right styles, Clermont homeowners can enhance curb appeal, improve comfort, and enjoy long-lasting beauty. Whether your preference is traditional double-hung windows or modern casement designs, updating your windows is a smart step toward blending style with practicality.